statements are given in this question. We have to find out the correct option based on the given two statements. In the first statement, it is given fluorine-fluorine bond in F2 molecule is weak. This is a correct statement because fluorine atoms have 3 lone pairs of electrons each, which create a significant repulsion between these lone pairs when two fluorine atoms are come together to form the fluorine molecule. This repulsion weakens the bond between the two fluorine atoms. And another reason we can say the fluorine-fluorine bond is formed by the overlap of the 2p orbitals on each fluorine atom. While this overlap is effective for bond formation, the small size of fluorine atom means the electron clouds are very close together. This proximity leads to increased electron-electron repulsion, which weakens the bond. So the first statement is the correct one. In the second statement, it is given fluorine atom is small in size. This is also correct because fluorine has a small atomic radii compared to many other elements. The atomic radii of fluorine is approximately 64 picometers. This small size is due to its high nuclear charge and relatively low number of electron shells. The small size of fluorine atoms leads to short bond length when fluorine atom forms bonds with other atoms. So the second statement is also correct. But the second statement is not the reason for the first statement. So we can say option B is the correct answer.